Title: The Haunting of Ravenswood Manor. Welcome, Tale Putter Jiluhusan TP, to the tale of Ravenswood Manor. A place where the past never truly dies, and the dead refuse to rest. Narrator: Once a grand estate, Ravenswood Manor now stands abandoned, its halls echoing with the whispers of forgotten souls. But the manor hides a dark secret, one that has claimed the lives of all who dare to uncover it. Narrator: In the late 1800s, the manor was home to the Ravenswood family. They were known for their wealth and influence, but also for their mysterious and tragic fate. Narrator: Legend has it that one stormy night, the entire family vanished without a trace. The townsfolk spoke of eerie lights and ghastly screams emanating from the manor. Search parties found no bodies, only bloodstains and signs of a violent struggle. Narrator: Rumors spread of a cursed artifact hidden within the manor, an ancient relic said to hold unspeakable power. Many adventurers have entered these cursed halls in search of it, but none have returned. Narrator: And so, we find ourselves here tonight, to uncover the truth behind the haunting of Ravenswood Manor. But beware, for the spirits of the past are not kind to those who disturb their rest. Narrator: Our investigation begins here, in the heart of the manor. Let us see if we can uncover the secrets that lie within these cursed walls. Investigator 1, this place gives me the creeps. Are we sure about this? Investigator 2, we've come this far. We need to find out what happened here. Narrator: As the night deepens, the investigators begin to experience strange phenomena. Unseen hands brush against them, and disembodied voices whisper in their ears. Investigator 3, listen to this. Get out. Did you hear that? The source of the manor's curse is revealed. But the spirits will not let them leave so easily. Ravenswood Manor has claimed its newest victims. They sought the truth, but the truth has consumed them. And so, Ravenswood Manor remains, waiting for the next brave souls who dare to uncover its dark secrets. Will you be the one to break the curse? Or will you, too, become a part of its haunted history? Thank you for joining us on this chilling journey. Until next time, remember, some secrets are better left buried.